Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us and welcome back. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott.
Together, we are Backyard Musings, the Science and Technology channel.
Yep. And today we are talking about science topic that has to do with a Hawaiian monk.
So there are monks in Hawaii.
There are.
Monk seals. Researchers discovered that Hawaiian monk seals use a surprisingly complex range of underwater sounds, including new call types never documented before. The findings could transform how scientists monitor and protect this endangered species in an increasingly noisy ocean. Would you like to know more?
Yeah, I needed to clarify that. A monk seal, not a monk. So, a recent study led by the University of Hawaii, University of Hawaii Institute of Marine Biology, Marine Mammal Research Program is reshaping what scientists know about how Hawaiian monk seals, and you want me to try and do that?
Nah.
Okay. Communicate underwater. Thank you for that. Published in the Royal Society Open Science on November 12, 2025, the research draws on thousands of hours of passive acoustic recordings and documents 25 different underwater call types. This sharply expands the known vocal range of the species, which previously included only 6 calls identified from seals living in human care. Interesting.
Wow.
Human care. They have these as pets? Or are they
probably in marine biology, maybe at Monterey Aquarium or Hawaii Aquarium. Yeah.
Gotcha.
The researchers found that monk seals produce low-frequency sounds throughout the day. These vocalizations appeared consistently across the Hawaiian archipelago, and calling activity was highest in locations where seal populations were larger. Of course, they're going to be talking to each other. Together, these findings provide an essential reference point for studying the acoustic environment of one of Hawaii's most endangered and uniquely local species.
Quote, we discovered that Hawaiian monk seals are far more vocal underwater than previously known. This is shared by Kirby Parnell, lead author of the study and a PhD candidate with MMRP. Going on with her quote, by analyzing over 4,500 hours of recording from across the Hawaiian archipelago, we identified more than 23,000 vocalizations representing at least 25 distinct calls. That's amazing. That's a large number.
That's a lot to distinguish.
Yeah.
To reach these conclusions, the team deployed passive acoustic recorders at 5 important monk seal habitats, ranging from Molokai to the remote northeastern Hawaiian Islands. Their analysis revealed several major discoveries: expanded vocal repertoire. The study documented 20 call types that had never been recorded before. Molokai,
that was the leper island. That's where they sent all the lepers, yeah. Okay, so I'm Novell Communication Strategy. Is that where I'm reading, right?
Novel.
Novell, novel. Okay. Potato. The data show that monk seals can link different sounds together to form combinational calls, a behavior that has not previously been reported in any pinniped species.
Yeah, that's cool.
What seal is, huh? Seal is a pinniped species.
Yep, that's pretty cool that they can package it together to make complex sounds.
Yeah,
like chimpanzees or whatever.
Different dialects.
What?
Maybe like different dialects, right?
Yeah. A foraging call. Researchers identified a new elemental vocalization known as the whine, which I'm familiar with that, produced while seals were foraging. This marks only the second known case of a seal species vocalizing during active prey pursuit.
Quote, we were surprised by the sheer diversity and complexity of monk seal vocalizations, notes Parnell. Again, continuing the quote, the discovery of combined calls where seals link multiple call types together suggests a previously unknown level of complexity in pinniped acoustic communication. Finding a new call type, the whine, associated with foraging behavior was also unexpected and suggests that monk seals may use sound not only for mating or socializing, but possibly for foraging purposes as well. And maybe, maybe they don't want the one group of monk seals to know what they're talking about. So they've changed their
Dialect.
their call type or their dialect. So yeah.
Decoy sounds. The Hawaiian monk seal is the only marine mammal species found exclusively in Hawaii and holds deep cultural significance. Understanding how these animals communicate is increasingly important as human activity raises background noise levels in the ocean.
Another quote here. This research provides the first comprehensive description of free-ranging Hawaiian monk seal underwater sound production, an important step towards understanding how they use sound for critical life history events. That's according to Lars Begder, director of MMRP. What was that?
Bader.
Oh, okay. The J is silent. Gotcha.
Yeah.
MMRP professor at HIMB and co-author of the study. Going on with a quote, because their vocalizations overlap with the same low frequency range as many human generated sounds, this work also helps us evaluate how ocean sound or ocean noise may affect communication, reproduction, and behavior in this endangered species.
The findings open the door to expanded use of passive acoustic monitoring as a way to track monk seal populations across their wide geographic range and safeguard the sound environments they depend on. Future studies aim to directly connect specific call types to behaviors such as swimming, foraging, social interaction, and reproduction. Another important goal is the development of automated detection tools that can monitor seal vocal activity efficiently and without disturbance, offering a long-term resource for conservation and ecosystem research.
The research team included graduate students, undergraduate students, and recent alumni from the University of Hawaii at Manoa, along with collaborators from France and the Pacific Islands Fisheries Science Center in the Hawaii Monk Seal Research Program.
I wonder where Manoa is.
Must be a town. It's got to be a town, right?
Yeah. Which island? Quote, manually annotating over 23,000 calls by hand is no small feat. Let's use AI. How about that? And this is the quote here. And I have a team of interns to thank for helping with the analysis, shares Parnell. Continuing the quote, this research would also not have been possible without the support of the Hawaiian Monk Seal Research Program, who deployed and retrieved the acoustic recorders in the Papahanaumokuakea National Marine Sanctuary.
Wow. That's pretty good pronunciation there.
Yeah.
It's a neighborhood in Honolulu.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
So it's on Oahu.
Yeah. It's at the capital. Near the capital.
Yep. Okay.
I like it.
Yeah.
Monk seals.
University of Hawaii I wonder where that's, because University of Hawaii is in Honolulu, I think, isn't it?
Well, it's in Hilo also. They got a location in Hilo. I wouldn't doubt if they had a location on Maui and Kauai.
Okay.
For that matter. But yeah, I've seen it on the Big Island in Hilo, and I know of it. It's right near the Polynesian Cultural Center, I think, on Oahu.
What is it near the Polynesian Cultural Center?
University of Hawaii.
No, it's down on the south part of the island. I think. I'll have to ask the experts. Yeah. I think it's down in the Honolulu.
I know a lot of the performers go to UH. I know that.
Yeah. Or they go to the BYU Hawaii. So
yeah.
Okay.
Maybe, you know what? I am mixing and confusing BYU Hawaii with University of Hawaii.
We apologize to any of our Polynesian listeners that was a mix-up there. So, but anyway.
All right, folks. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you in the morning.
Okay. Take care, everyone. Thanks. We'll see you tomorrow.